In this video, I'm going to be showing you the fastest and easiest method to get your first 1000 real subscribers. So, this method is going to help you get 100% loyal subs. That means that they will watch your content and then YouTube will promote your videos. This is a step-by-step method and you need all the steps for this to work. In case you're new here or haven't subscribed, I am Gloria. I do tips and tricks videos to help you grow your YouTube channel fast. So make sure you turn on the post notification and subscribe to this channel so that you don't miss any of my upcoming videos. Please stay till the end as I be showing you how you can multiply the speed of getting to 1000 subscribers. Step 1. Find the top 10 biggest channels in your niche. Step 2. Subscribe to them and turn on the post notification. Step 3. Be among the first people to comment. You need to comment something like mention the name of the channel and then use the words that will drive people to your channel, but don't put the words like subscribe to my channel. Nope. You need to come up with a comment that will get a lot of engagement and this will drive a lot of people to your channel. Step 4. Always reply to people's comment about your comment. Now for the tip you have been waiting for. Leverage your friends and family to go and upvote your comments so that it gets a boost. So with this I mean you can tell them to go and like your comment, reply to your comment. That way your comment will have a lot of engagement and other people are also going to check on your channel because of the rate of likes and replies you're having. So if you want to see more ways to get subscribers and views fast, be sure to check on this playlist and also check out my latest video here. See you in my next one. Bye. Love you.